energy of the champ. Don't need no
Welcome to
pressure.
Success Academy.
Hanging with the ladies. This is who I am. I'm curious about the city lights. Got the way to the moon tonight. Now without a plan.
After the skincare, a dance competition with me.
Round, round, get around, I get around. Round, round, getting down, over town. I've seen a road if you're on your own. So round, round, get around, I get around.
Dollars flying all from here. Yes, you can do it, and let's go do it.
That will lead us straight. I sold my car, gave my things away. Now I'm leaving everything behind to find some peace of mind. Round, round, get around, I get around. Going round, round, get around, I get around.
Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.
Say up here if you're all on your own. So round, 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 I get
What an amazing Success Academy that we had today. Wow, about 500 people came and it was amazing, full of vibe, full of energy. I think everyone got so inspired. You know, if you missed the Success Academy today, you know what? You have to attend next one for sure. I'll see you there.
Today was a very exciting Success Academy. I thank God for allowing me to help people, inspire them, so that everybody was very happy. Everybody wanted to take pictures with me. A lot of people, they told me that I inspired them to do Atomy.
It's really motivating.
I get inspired. I'm very happy to be a part of Atomy company. I will come again and again.
And I love the people. They're very loving and they're full of dreams and hope. It was a great journey. So thank you for inviting me, Atomy Canada. Everything went well, and I enjoyed the people too. Thank you very much.